Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the defrost control board in a Whirlpool refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 1/4-inch nutdriver, Phillips, and a flat blade screwdriver. When you open out the package, you're going to get a new defrost control board, the adapter, and a couple of long screws. This defrost control board is located inside the cover at the top of the fresh food section. It controls the compressor's running time and the length of the defrost cycle. If your refrigerator is not running at all, only the lights on, check and replace the defrost control board. To get to the part, we need to open the fresh food door. So there we are. We need to put down this cover box because the thermostat is right there, and that safety cover is on that sensor bulb, and it goes inside. It's held in place by 1/4-inch screw right there. I'm going to use the 1/4-inch nutdriver. We're going to take it out so we can drop down this cover. Dropping down, and slightly pull it forward. There's a couple of tabs there at the top that what locks the box at the back. So now we need to take the plug off. There is a tab at the back. You can't see it, neither do I. But I'm gonna use the flat blade screwdriver. I'm gonna place it right there and pry it slightly up so I can pull the plug down. I'm going to show you what I meant by the locking tab. It's right there. So this is the tab I was talking about. Now I need to free this sensor bulb from the 3 clips here. I'm using a flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to place it right there behind that, and I'm going to pry it out. Now we're going to take the assembly to the table where we're going to continue the repair. Okay, let's place the assembly on the desk, on the table, and we are going to remove this control. We need to take out the plugs. I'm going to use the flat blade screwdriver. We're going to pry it off. And the other one, that one would be a little easier. It's only 2 prongs. So I'm going to put it down, and I'm going to turn it over. And we've got 2 Phillips screws right here that we need to take out. Using a Phillips screwdriver, I'm going to remove the screws. I'm going to turn it over, and here we go. That's the old defrost control board. This is the old defrost control board next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So this adapter plug is used in cases when we have different plugs on the fridge. So see this, we have 2 little points here, 2 pins, and it's different from the one we've got. So in our case, we don't need it. We just discard it. Or you can store it in your garage. All right, so we can install this new defrost control board. We're going to start with plugging these 2 plugs. All right, I'm going to put it down. And we're going to install this Phillips screws from opposite side. And we need to match the holes here. I'm going to put the screw in, and I'm going to make sure that it goes right into this opening. Using the Phillips screwdriver, I'm going to screw it in. I'm going to tighten it all the way, just give it a little move here. So we're going to bring this second opening putting second screw in. And I'm going to tighten it. And I'm going to tighten it all the way. And tighten the second screw too. Alright, now we're going to install it into the fridge. Okay, so we're going to install this assembly. And I'm going to start with placing that part of the sensor bulb into these clips here at the back. Alright, locked in. Now I'm going to bring up this assembly end. Alright, so we're going to plug this in, and that locking tab goes at the back like this. And I'm going to press it in and lock. Now I'm going to place that tube into the cutout, and we're going to lock this rear tabs here. I'm going to slide it onto these locking tabs, locking pins. Okay, now I'm going to bring up this assembly, and I'm going to secure it with this long 1/4 inch screw, and using a 1/4 inch nutdriver, I'm going to tighten it. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.